Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to get free hosting and domain for WordPress website. So let's get started, and the website we are going to work on is infinityfree.com, as you can see over here. And you can scroll down, you can see that they claim a lot of stuff like 5 GB disk space and free subdomains and free SSL certificates, unlimited bandwidth, and there are a lot of stuff which you can go and experience that. What you need to do, just click on register and register with your Google account or any email account. I think I have already logged in. That's why I'm going to click on login. And it's very easy, obviously. And once you click on login, once you create your account, as you can see, this is how it looks like. This is the website which I actually use for myself. But for this tutorial, I'm going to use my new account over here. Just click on create account. Once you end up over here, you can see this that they have some premium plans also over here. But we are going with the first one, which is free, obviously. Just click on create now. You will end up over here, and here you can see that we have subdomains over here. Just name the subdomain whatever you want and you are ready to create your own domain name. Otherwise, if you have already domain name, just click on custom domain and start adding your custom domain. But for this tutorial, I'm going with this one, obviously. After that, just click on domain extension, whatever the extension you want. So I'm going with this one for now, and just click on check availability. Once you click on check availability, you will end up over here. This is where your name would be, your account password, and obviously your account label. Just click on create account. Now your account will be created for your Infinity Free. Now we are going to create a website now. Just click on open control panel, approve this. After that, you will end up over here. Just scroll down until you will see Softaculous Apps Installer. Just click on that. After that, you will end up over here, and the first thing you would see WordPress. Just click on this and scroll down until you see install now. Just click on install now. And here you can choose your URL over here. You can even edit it if you want. Your version, your account username, and obviously your password, which is very important, and your admin email over here. So these are the things which you need to remember always. So I'm going to name that. And after that, I'm going to choose a theme from over here and click on install. Obviously, you can change the theme later on also. But for this tutorial, I'm going for the second one. So I'm going to fill this up. After selecting your theme, just click on install. It would take some time over here, like you can see 4 minutes. So just wait for a while. And once it's done, as you can see, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. We got the domain over here, and we can even add it in the backend where you can access to WordPress. So as you can see over here, we got the both links. So if you click on this or open this in a new link tab, both of them. So as you can see, this is the website which we have just created now in just few seconds. And if you go ahead and click on WordPress admin, you can see you will end up over here. And at the top, you can also see that the domain which we have chosen is also over here. So this is how to get free hosting and domain for WordPress in 2024. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.